In today's video, I'm going to teach you Asana Forms, how to set up forms branching. 5 minutes. Branching lets your form show different follow-up questions based on what someone selects, so you only collect information that's relevant. It keeps forms short, focused, and far more user-friendly. Let's walk through it from login to publish step by step. First, head to Asana and sign in. Enter your email address, click Continue, then enter your password and log in. If your organization uses extra security like single sign-on or two-factor authentication, complete those prompts as usual. Always make sure you're on the official Asana site and never share your credentials with anyone. Once you're on the Asana homepage, open the specific project where you want this form to live. Forms are tied to projects, so pick the one that will receive the incoming submissions. When the project opens, look toward the top right and click Customize. In the panel that slides out, select Forms. Here, click Add to create a new form or bring up the form you want to enhance with branching. Start by adding your core questions. Keep the titles clear and the descriptions helpful so submitters know exactly what to provide. If certain details are mandatory, mark those questions as required so you get consistent responses. Multiple choice and drop-down questions work best for branching since the logic is based on chosen options. Create a question you'd like to branch from. Think of it as your decision point. Next to one of the answer options, click the Add a Branch icon. Asana will insert a new branch section beneath that option. This is where you define the follow-up questions someone will see only if they select that specific answer. It's a simple if-this-then-show approach that keeps everything tidy. Inside the branch, add the questions that are relevant to that choice. For example, if the option indicates a certain request type, ask for the details you need just for that scenario. Keep these follow-ups concise and scoped to the selection so submitters don't feel overwhelmed. You can repeat this process for other options as needed, building a tailored path for each. If you change your mind, you can edit or remove branches at any time. When your branching is set the way you want, click Publish. Publishing saves and activates your changes so the form behaves with the new logic. Anytime you update questions or branches, publish again to make those updates live. That's it. You've set up branching in Asana Forms, giving your team a cleaner intake process and better data from every submission.